Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. This time I'm gonna interview myself by answering a few questions by the interviewer. This time I'm gonna monologue interview. The first question: what benefits can school children get from visiting museum? I think that by visiting museum, school children can learn many more about the exhibition in the museum itself, like art or history or something else, like history of war of Indonesia, of history of human ancestor, like in the Museum Ronggowarsito in Semarang. By the time I been visit that museum at the time as I school children back in past. I'm so curious and so excited to visiting museum. This benefit can be advanced knowledge to the children, like how the history can be used by the human and humankind. The next question is, how do you think most children feel about visiting museum? As I experienced by visiting museum, I'm so excited and so curious about the museum, how the museum exhibition the thing that in it, so I can learn more about something else, so I can know about the some kind of history, art of or something else. Uh, as I feel as a children, so uh, I'm so addicted to the learn new something else as a children, like uh, some kind of knowledge that I've never learned before, and how the things work in the museum. And the next question: are museum more educational now than before? I think museum right now, according to the technologies and technologies and history or art, it's so development by this day. So I would say the museum right now more educational to the audience, and how the museum can exhibition the things or some art maybe, and there were so educational by every age of human. And the next question is, why do many people like to wear fashionable clothes? By this time, I follow the how the uh, fashion is walk past by the time. I follow the influencer in social media that uh, bring the content by fashion in fashion. Uh, why so many people wear fashionable clothes is, I think it's because of trend spreading upon the world, like in the social media in globalization now, so information can be spread so easily and can be reached by anyone in every age. And the next question is, how do fashion vary for different age group? The group by age in the fashion is kind of more related to their health and how their sense of fashion and influenced by the trend itself, like I said before. So the age of group, it's different, like how we kids less know about the fashion, so we can learn in the teenager age. We can step by step know about the fashion, like our friends or family, our friend actually, how their fashion can be influenced to us. And by during the time and we getting older and we know about the fashion, it's like more simply and not by the trend. So we wear the clothes by our comfort. So we if it's like we if we like to wear hoodies as our comfort, so we always wear hoodies. And the last question: what factor cause adult fashion to change? This factor can be so many causes, like how the textile industry become more developed by this time, but their technology, by their human resource, or by the designer in the entire world, can be caused to the adult fashion change, like how they influence the adult fashion. It's more like how the fashion fast fashion or some kind of luxury fashion in adult fashion can be one of the causes to change by the in the relative long time, or relative long time, and get more development by the technologies. That's all for today. I hope this interview can be appreciated, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.